Hostinger Website Builder Tutorial for Beginners. Welcome to this tutorial on Hostinger's Website Builder, designed specifically for beginners. In this video, we'll take a closer look at the features and steps involved in creating a website using Hostinger's user-friendly platform. To get started, first, you'll need to log in to your Hostinger account and navigate to the Website Builder section. From there, you can choose from a variety of templates and themes to give your website a unique look and feel. Once you've selected a template, you can start customizing it by adding text, images, and other elements. The Website Builder also offers a range of drag-and-drop tools that make it easy to arrange and resize elements on your page. One of the key benefits of Hostinger's Website Builder is its ease of use. Even if you have no prior experience with website design, you can create a professional-looking website in just a few clicks. To add more functionality to your website, you can also use Hostinger's built-in features, such as contact forms and social media integration. These features can help you connect with your audience and build a strong online presence. In this tutorial, we'll cover the basics of creating a website using Hostinger's Website Builder, including how to choose a template, customize your page, and add features. By the end of this video, you'll have a solid understanding of how to create a website using Hostinger's user-friendly platform. If you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to subscribe to our channel for more beginner-friendly guides and tutorials. Don't forget to like this video if you learned something new, and we'll see you in the next one.